Hey everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this quick, really easy deal on Meow Mix cat food at Walmart, and it gets you 5 little things of totally free cat food, which is crazy. I couldn't believe this deal when I saw it. Now, I do want to make it clear, I know Meow Mix, a lot of us don't really buy that. I know some people don't feel comfortable giving it to their pets, and that's okay. But here's what you can do. You can give it to friends and family who use it, or donate it to your local humane society, animal shelter, anything like that. They're always needing pet food. So, you can totally be a blessing and give them this cat food that you got for totally free. So that is that. So I'm just going to break down the deal. Online, it says $1.48. I went to my local Walmart and saw them for 48 cents. My store didn't have a whole lot of, selection on the kinds. They only had 2 different kinds that were 48 cents. However, I do also want to preface that they have a different kind that is 72 cents. And I actually have quite a few of them for 72 cents, but I just wanted to get what was free. So I had to go ahead and go with the 2 kinds that were 48 cents. You'll see the picture of those coming. That was in the thumbnail. The picture was in the thumbnail. But anyways, get 5 Meow Mix wet cat foods. You're going to pay $2.40 out of pocket. There is currently an Ibotta rebate. I'm going to show you the details of the rebate because it's always important to read stuff like this. It's a Meow Mix wet cat food. Earn 50 cents back with a limit of 5. So we all know Meow Mix, I just showed you, it's 48 cents. But I want to always double check and make sure what kind it works on because not all rebates are like this. So here's what the details of the rebate says. Offer valid on any Meow Mix cat food for the following sizes. Meow Mix wet cat singles 2.6 ounce or larger, Meow Mix wet cat 12 count or 24 count. So we're obviously going to go for the singles because that's going to get us the better deal. So I checked in the store and these are 2.75 ounce. And the other thing, if you have the Ibotta app, you got to have the app to do this, but scan the barcode. Do the barcode scanner. That will show you what items are participating. So I scanned the barcode and on each of them, and it said it is a qualifying item. So you'll get back $2.50. Now with Walmart, scan the QR code of your receipt or whatever after you buy the products. If you need to learn more about Ibotta, click the little line in the top right corner and have a video all about how to use Ibotta. But anyways, yeah, you usually scan the QR code. This rebate does not pop up, and I don't know why it doesn't pop up right away. You have to go and hit add offers or whatever, because it usually will pull up after you scan that QR code. It'll select the rebates you did. You have to actually hit add rebates because this doesn't automatically recognize it. You'll go ahead and you'll add the Meow Mix rebate. They'll have you scan the barcodes, and it'll say it qualified. And within about 2 minutes after I did all that and submitted my receipt, I got back $2.50 for the Meow Mix. So I ended up making all 5 of them totally free. Actually, a 10-cent moneymaker. But you got to account for sales tax, so just pretty much free. But that's awesome. And if you haven't already signed up for Ibotta, please feel free to use my referral code AYJJJR. I know some of you already have, and I really appreciate it. Helps me out so much when you do that, and it really helps you out as well because you end up getting an extra bonus in the end. You will get back, I believe it's $5. So after getting that back, you will get a way bigger moneymaker. You get to start out getting a free product on Ibotta, and they're going to give you even more money just for signing up. Also, Fetch Rewards. If you haven't signed up for Fetch, that's a really great app. In this app, more of you have been doing their referrals for me. It's totally awesome, and I really appreciate that, and it helps me out greatly when you do so. So thank you all for that. With Fetch, you'll at least get back 25 points for submitting a receipt. So yeah, you might as well just add that in the mix as well and get even more points back. So yeah, that is this cat food deal. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. Be sure to share it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.